We've had one towed into the shop. Don't know exactly what this is. Buick Lacrosse. They said it wouldn't crank over. See what this is, like a 2010 or 2011, something like that. See what it'll do here. All the lights come on. But it will not crank over. Why is that engine light flashing really, really fast? Let me put it in neutral. Try that. Nothing. Okay, I'll have to tow it into the shop. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check this battery, make sure this battery is good. Put a load on it, and yeah, it's good. It may be a little down, but it's good. Ooh, that's loose. Ooh, look at that. Let's clean it up, tighten it down. Go ahead and probably clean both these cables up just to make sure we got a good connection going on. And let me give it a try. I don't know about that engine light. I've never seen that before. Just sit there flickering. Nothing. Okay, let me get a game plan going here on it. Maybe hook my computer up first just to see if it's got a code in it. I cannot get my computer to link up with the vehicle. It keeps showing up an error that has occurred. I've tried it several times. So I guess what I need to do now is just pull up a wiring diagram, see what I can come across, maybe check the fuses. So I'm just going to run through all these fuses real quick. This is a 2011 model. They said it just died on them when they was driving it, wouldn't crank back over. So I'm going to check these major maxi fuses here. Check all them. Them all looks good. And I'll just go through here and start checking all these little fuses here with the test light. Make sure they're all good. Okay, this right here is the starter fuse. It is good. And this is the relay right here, starter relay. I'm gonna switch that starter relay, this cooling fan relay. They're the same part number. Just gonna switch them over real quick and see if it's got a bad relay. And if it don't, then I'll do something else. I swapped them relays around. It didn't matter. It didn't help it any. I'm gonna take this little jumper here and test some circuits. Make sure my test light's burning. Key is on. Got one power wire there. Got a wiring diagram pulled up on it, and we got voltage going to pin 30 on that relay right there. So I'm gonna get somebody to turn that to crank position. We should have a voltage signal on this 85 pin on the relay. So let me do that next. That should energize, get voltage on that. Should energize this relay. Crank the car over. Yeah, just act like he was going to start it up. Nothing. Okay. Got nothing out here either. Okay. That's it. So I'm not getting any signal here at the starter relay. Right here. That should energize that relay. Flip this little lever over and make it start. But no signal. So I'm thinking either could be the ignition switch or the, see, and that wire goes straight to the ECM computer. Either we got a powering up problem, a ground problem on the computer itself. I would like to check this ignition switch. I wonder if it'll let me try to get into this body control module. May be able to bypass the auto load and just manually go in. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, I was able to manually go into this thing, and I am communicating with it now, but it's not communicating with the ECM. It's communicating with every module in the system. They're all awake and talking, and it looks like we have a whole bunch of lost communication codes with the ECM in here. Wow, look at all the let's see here, lost communication. Yeah, we've got a lot of codes, but I need into the ECM. I can't get into it. I think if I go to body control module with halogen bulbs with high intensity discharge headlights, what the heck? Go in here to the body control module, go to power data mode, go to ignition switch here. This is going to tell me if my ignition switch is working here. If that ignition switch will switch over right there from run to start. Crank request. So my ignition switch is throwing a signal to the ECM to crank it. Do it again, crank request. So that tells me my ignition switch is good. So I guess what I need to do now is check the voltage and grounds at the ECM. Make sure everything is good there. If everything's good there, then it's probably needing a new ECM. Okay, here's our ECM. Let's see here. How does this work? Like that. There we go. Unplug it here. Come on. Don't do me like this. You're embarrassing me. Come on. There we go. Ow. Come on, dude. Why you want to be so stubborn? Looks good and clean in there. Oh, maybe I might have some corrosion. So now I need to figure out where the power and ground wires are. Oh boy. You know, I was getting ready to call it a day. That is the third time that trunk has popped up on me. Let's check my grounds real quick. Okay, I've got grounds. The grounds are good, and I got voltage to the computer. I noticed down here, it just didn't look right. This harness sits right down in here, but this looked kind of filmy, wet around this. I guess the battery they had on it before they put this one on here was leaking acid, and it leaked all down in here, and it got in this harness. You can see the wire that right there. It had a big long strip of it right here that was swollen. As soon as I touched it, moved it, it just all crumbled to pieces. So I'm gonna fix that wire. Still got a bunch of corrosion down here. I'm gonna try to clean all that corrosion out of there. That's battery acid, actually, not corrosion. But, and then look at that ground down there. All the battery acid that's corroded on that ground wire. It's got 2 ground wires hooks up. So clean them up, see what we got. Fix that wire there. Okay, got some baking soda and water. I'll neutralize that acid here. Pour something straight onto it. Let that eat away. Pour some down in that battery box. Just all over them wiring harnesses. Just kind of let that sit. Get the baking soda action going on there. Okay, got that wire fixed, get it all back together. See if that made any difference on anything. Haven't tried it yet. Let's see here. Get that dinging noise and stop. First thing I can see right offhand is that check engine, that engine light is not flickering like it was. Remember, it was just flickering, rapidly flashing. Okay, here goes nothing. Hey. Amazing. Go out here, do a looky. So just a simple fix there. Something like a little battery acid can cause major problems. Anyway, thanks for watching.